What if I told you that you only need one natural ingredient to make a simple scalp tea spray that can help you to grow your hair longer, thicker, fuller, and healthier? And this ingredient is something many people already know, but they are usually use it completely different. This is Spirulina. And today I am going to show you exactly how I turn it into a simple hair growth tea spray for my scalp, edges, and tiny areas. But before we make this, there are a few important things you need to know, especially if you are planning to use it on your scalp. If your edges look thinner than they are usually be, your hairline is becoming more noticeable, your hair feel weak, dry, or difficult to retain length, or you simply want a simple natural scalp care routine without mixing 10 different ingredients together, keep on watching, because this recipe has one main ingredient and the preparation is incredibly simple. This is Spirulina. Spirulina is a nutrient rich in blue color or green color. So you can see it in blue color, you can see it in green color. They are one ingredient, okay? And this Spirulina contains protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant compound. And that is exactly why it has become so popular in beauty and wellness routines. But today we are not making a tea. We are going to use Spirulina to make a simple, powerful hair growth scalp tea spray that will help you to solve a lot of your hair problems, okay? Now let me make something very clear. This is not a magical potion that can instantly grow your hair overnight. Hair growth takes time, but a good scalp care routine can help you take better care of your scalp and the hair, while helping you maintain healthy looking hair and support overall hair care routine. So do not judge this recipe after one day, okay? Consistent is where the real routine happens. So for this recipe, you need just two things: Spirulina powder and clean water. That is all. No onion, no rice water, no garlic, no ginger, no rosemary, no cloves, no complicated herbal mix, just Spirulina and water. Then you are good to go, okay? So first, I take 1 tablespoon of my Spirulina powder, add it into a jar. Make sure you use very clean jar. Then pour in my hot water. Do not use very hot water, use warm water, okay? So after pouring the hot water, you notice that there are lumps, okay? The Spirulina powder have turned into lumps. So make sure you dissolve those lumps very well before you cover your jar, okay? So I'll take my time to dissolve the lumps with my spoon. Once I notice that the lumps have been dissolved, so the next thing is to cover my jar and keep it to infuse for 8 hours. You can infuse it for 7 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours. So once the water has cooled down, then this recipe is ready. But do not infuse it overnight, and also do not do boiling method with this so that you not kill the nutrients of this Spirulina. Please and please pay close attention to that. Make sure you dissolve those lumps, please, before you cover your jar for better results, okay? If you are ready to see how effective this one ingredient can be, how it can help you to grow your hair, solve your hair problem, regrow your edges, your tiny areas, and also help you for faster, thicker hair growth, you need to watch this video to the end. This one ingredient is a game changer. It will help you to transform your hair. So if you don't know how to use it, you will get zero result. So watch to the end for better information. 8 hours later, my hair growth tea spray is ready to be used. Why keeping it longer and why using hot water is the best, because it will help the ingredient to release all the nutrients inside the water, making the water very powerful, very potent, and very effective. So the next thing now is to bring a wig cap and also my bowl. This part is very important. Make sure you use something that have very tiny hole. so that you not have any particles or residues inside your tea. Okay, you need very clean tea. Okay, use something that have very tiny. You can use your hanky, stockings, wig cap, or sheaf cloth, anything you know that you normally use to get a very fine smooth tea. Use it to strain this. Okay, now after straining it, do you see how beautiful this color is? This is not only beautiful in eye, it's also beautiful in your scalp, your hair strands, and also beautiful in helping you to solve your hair problems, regrow your thinning areas, your edges, thicken up your hair, and promote that faster hair growth. Yes, this particular tea spray is banger. It has a lot of benefits that your scalp and your hair will benefit from if used correctly. Okay, you will benefit a lot with only this one ingredient. So now what I did is to transfer it to my spray bottle for easy application. Now this is where the game changer began. How to use it. Make sure you pay close attention to see exactly how to use this to achieve better results. Now, the problem many of us has is impatience. Watching the video halfway and conclude that you have know it all, forgetting that how to use the recipe is very important as the ingredients. Okay, so if you are ready to see the effective of this one main ingredient, you need to watch this video to the end and do exactly what I'm about to share with you right now. Okay, because this one ingredient can give you better results than some of 10 ingredients out there. I'm not even capping. Okay, so pay close attention and follow this simple step, and you see how effective only this one ingredient can transform your hair and give you that result you can never imagine. Now let's talk on how to apply this recipe to your hair to achieve that crazy result in a twinkle of eye. So first thing you must do is to work in session. Whether your hair is on a protective hairstyle or not, make sure you work in session for better results. Okay, so after sessioning your hair, then go ahead and spread this directly on your scalp. Yes, focus on your scalp, those your problem areas, edges, crown section, any problem areas. Please focus this spray on that. Okay, do not wet your hair with it, just damp. Okay, because this is a leave-in treatment, it's not a rinse out treatment, so you just need to damp your hair with it. Okay, then you follow up with your leave-in conditioner. But before you apply this recipe on your hair, this important thing you must do first: make sure your hair is not dirty, make sure your scalp and your hair strands are super clean. Okay, so that this product can penetrate well and give you better results. If your hair and your scalp are dirty, you come across this video, please hold on. After your wash day, you can start preparing this recipe and use it. Do not use it on a very dirty hair, then you come out and say that it did not work. This recipe works 10 times. Okay, it's 100 guarantee results. I have used this several times and I have seen how effective it is. Okay, so make sure you follow the instruction for better results. So after applying it on your scalp, so the next thing you must do now is to work your way through the strands of your hair. Press it in very well so that it can penetrate inside your hair strands, because your hair strands also need this herbal tea spray. It's not only on your scalp, it helps to reduce shedding, breakage, and also thicken your hair strands, strengthen them. Okay, to avoid unnecessary breakage. So after doing that, so the next thing you must follow up now is to massage your scalp. Now listen carefully. Massaging your scalp is very important as the ingredient and also as the application method. Do not skip scalp massage with this recipe for better results. So the next thing you do now is to follow up with your leave-in conditioner, your hair growth oil, and your butter to see in the moisture properly. Don't skip this step, because using your leave-in conditioner, your hair growth oil, and your butter to stay in the moisture is also very important as applying this recipe. Okay, Now, I have a bonus tip for you for better results. After applying it, sealing the moisture and massaging your scalp, instead of allowing your hair to air dry, the next thing you will do is to use your shower cap to cover up your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, then remove the shower cap, allow your hair to air dry. This technique works so amazing. It will help you to see faster results and you'll never ever regret it, okay? Now, how often should you use this recipe for better results? For a starter or for a beginner, use it 2 to 3 times per a week, okay? And remember, consistent is more important than using it too much, okay? Now, let's talk about why Spirulina is interesting for hair growth routine. First, Spirulina is naturally nutrient rich. Second, it contains protein and antioxidant compounds. Third, using it as part of your scalp care routine can help you promote faster hair growth, healthy hair, solve your hair problems, and give your scalp more better environment for your hair to grow, okay? And because we are using it as a lightweight spray, it can easily fit into a natural hair care routine. Now, if your biggest concern is your edges, please do not ignore them. Your edges can experience a lot of stress from tight hairstyles, extension, wig, frequent manipulation, and fraction. So while you are using this spray, always pay attention to the things that may be contributing to your hair thinning, okay? Sometimes the most powerful change is not adding another product, it's reducing the stress on your hair. So for the storage, please store this in your refrigerator only but 5 days. After 5 days, anyone that remaining, please make sure you discard it and make a fresh batch, okay? Please, because using it potent is more powerful than using it less potent, because after 5 days this recipe goes rancid and less potent, okay? So always do a small batch that can last you only but 5 days, then you make a fresh batch for better results, okay? And next thing is, before you apply this recipe on your hair, make sure you do a patch test first, okay, before you go ahead and use it on your scalp. So guys, there you have it. One main natural ingredient, one simple preparation, and one easy scalp spray you can add into your hair care routine and get 10 times faster hair growth, solve your hair problems, and promote crazy hair growth. You do not always need 10 ingredients to create a simple routine or to see faster growth. Sometimes keeping things easy make it easy to stay consistent. With this particular hair growth spray, you see how effective it can be, okay? Now I want to know something. What is your biggest hair growth struggle right now? Number 1, edges. Number 2, thinning hair. Number 3, receding hairline. Number 4, hair breakage. Number 5, length retention. Comment your number below, okay? So guys, if you love simple natural hair growth recipe like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel we are making natural hair care simple and easy to follow. So subscribe for more natural hair growth recipes, okay? And once you subscribe, please turn on your notification bell to all so you don't miss our new coming videos, okay? And also, please do wait to give this video a very big thumbs up, and also share this video with your family and friends so that it can help someone out there to solve their hair problems, and also it help the growth of the channel. So guys, we have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you all on my next video. Stay safe out there and be blessed. Bye.